If you drive a modern car, your engine is being damaged right now, and most owners don't realize it until they're facing a $3,000 to $10,000 repair. The reason isn't age. It's 5 preventable problems manufacturers don't highlight, shops profit from, and drivers repeat every day. In this video, I'll show you which cheap parts cause expensive failures, which popular habits shorten engine life, and the exact steps that can push a modern engine past 300,000 miles. This is True Cost Auto. If you ignore even one of these, the repair bill often exceeds the value of the car. 1. The cooling system weak points that kill engines early. Most engines die from heat long before they die from age. New data from testing labs and teardown studies shows that coolant neglect and weak plastic fittings and dried hoses cause more engine failures than worn bearings or old pistons. The cooling system holds several weak points: plastic thermostat housings, plastic coolant tees, brittle water pump impellers, failing radiator caps, stuck thermostats, rubber water lines, hoses. Even one mild overheat event can warp an aluminum head and lead to a $2,500 to $4,800 repair. When one fails, the engine overheats. Most drivers never notice the early symptoms because these failures start small: a slow leak, a weak seal, a thermostat that sticks too long. What mechanics will not always tell you is this: shops profit more from late-stage failures than early prevention. Coolant testing takes time, and replacing a $22 thermostat does not move the needle on shop revenue. But the failure that follows can generate thousands. The new data shows that replacing weak plastic fittings with aluminum and changing coolant on time can extend engine life by 20 to 40%. That means most engines are not dying from old age. They are dying from cooling system failures that cost almost nothing to prevent. 2. Oil breakdown. From heat and fuel dilution, owners believe oil changes are enough to protect an engine. This is why engines with perfect service records still fail. The data says otherwise. 2 hidden issues shorten engine life even when you change oil on time: heat breakdown, oil dilution. Modern engines run hotter. Turbo engines run even hotter. Oil thins faster under heat, and this leads to metal-to-metal contact on cam lobes, bearings, and timing chains. At the same time, short trips and direct injection engines push raw fuel into the oil. Oil dilution for the fuel reduces viscosity and increases wear by 30 to 40%. The problem is simple. Your oil may not be protecting your engine even though it looks clean, and the car shows no symptoms. This is why timing chain failures have increased, why cam phaser problems appear on engines with low mileage, why thin oil grades fail faster in real-world conditions. What mechanics will not always tell you is that fuel-diluted oil does not trigger a warning light. Your oil can be too thin to protect the engine long before the change interval arrives. The solution is cheap. Use a slightly thicker approved oil in high-heat engines. Avoid short trips when the engine cannot reach temperature. Change oil earlier if your trips are short. These small changes reduce wear by thousands of miles and prevent failures that cost $1,800 to $6,000. 3. Airflow problems that wear your engine out faster. This $20 part causes failures that look like blown engines. Engines need clean, unrestricted airflow to burn fuel correctly. The new data shows airflow restrictions cause higher fuel dilution, more soot formation, hotter internal temperatures, incomplete combustion. A dirty air filter does more harm than people think. But the other issue is one almost no driver checks: the PCV system, positive crankcase ventilation. When the PCV valve sticks, pressure builds inside the crankcase. Oil vapors move where they should not. Carbon forms faster. Seals blow out. A stuck PCV valve can cause failures that look like oil leaks, gasket failures, and piston ring wear. This tiny part costs $10 to $30, yet it is almost never inspected. Why? Because it is not included in most shop checklists unless you ask for it. Shops do not ignore it on purpose. They skip it because it takes time to reach and test. But the new evidence is clear. A stuck PCV valve shortens engine life by tens of thousands of miles. Replace it every 50,000 miles, and you remove one of the top hidden causes of early engine death. 4. Carbon buildup from direct injection engines. Direct injection increases power and efficiency. This is one of the fastest ways a healthy engine becomes an unreliable one. It also increases carbon buildup. This is not a small issue. The data shows carbon buildup causes valve sticking, compression loss, hot spots in the combustion chamber, timing chain wear, misfires. Manufacturers rarely mention this problem in maintenance schedules. Shops do not bring it up until the symptoms are obvious. Why? Because cleaning carbon takes time and costs less than repairing the problem it creates. Most drivers believe that synthetic oil and regular maintenance prevent carbon buildup. The truth? Carbon bypasses the oil system entirely. It collects on the intake valves because fuel never washes them. By the time symptoms show, repairs can reach $1,000 to $2,500. To prevent it, use oil with strong detergents. Run the engine long enough to reach proper temperature. Use approved fuel system cleaners in engines that allow them. Clean the intake valves before symptoms appear. Do this early, and you prevent thousands in repairs and add years to engine life. 5. Timing chain systems and weak tensioners. When a timing chain fails, the engine is usually destroyed in seconds. Many engines should last 300,000 miles or more. Yet new data reveals timing chain systems fail much earlier due to weak tensioners, worn guides, poor oil flow to the chain, heat cycles that weaken plastics. A loose or stretched chain ruins an engine in seconds. Repairs cost $2,000 to $7,000 depending on design. What mechanics will not always tell you is that timing chain wear often comes from other problems: thin or damaged oil, short trips, low oil pressure, skipped maintenance. It is not always the chain's fault. It is the environment the chain works in. You can protect it by using higher quality oil, avoiding short trips, replacing the tensioner, chain belt every 100,000 to 150,000 miles in known weak engines. These steps cost little and save thousands. Here's what you save by addressing each failure early. Cooling system prevention. $22 to $60 in parts saves $2,500 to $4,800 in repairs, oil viscosity, and early changes. Extra $40 per year saves $1,800 to $6,000 in engine wear. PCV valve, every 50,000 miles, $30 saves $800 to $2,000 in leaks and carbon issues. Carbon prevention, $60 to $150 per year, saves $1,000 to $2,500 in cleaning and repair costs. Timing chain environment improvements. Better oil and driving habits save $2,000 to $7,000 in catastrophic failure costs. Total potential savings between $8,000 and $22,000 over 10 years of ownership. Most drivers never calculate this because the damage happens slowly, but the new data shows that these are the real reasons engines die early. Engines do not wear out. They get damaged by preventable problems. If you fix the airflow, fix the heat, remove carbon, protect the oil, and support the timing system, your engine can last far longer than the average owner expects. You do not need expensive services. You need the right ones at the right time. These steps protect your money, your car, and your peace of mind. I put a downloadable checklist in the description. It includes the exact steps, mileage intervals, and questions to ask any mechanic so you protect your engine without overspending. If this video helped you understand how to save money on car repairs, subscribe. This is True Cost Auto, where we protect your wallet one repair at a time. New videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. See you in the next one.